If you think electric trucks are just glorified commuters that can't handle real work, look at this. This is the 2026 Silverado EV Trail Boss. It packs over 700 horsepower, claims a massive 478 miles of range, and features a battery larger than some city cars combined. But it also weighs over 8,500 pounds and costs a premium. Let's skip the marketing fluff and look at the real data. Because this is an EV, there's no engine under the hood. Instead, a dual-motor four-wheel drive system pushes out 725 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque. Hit wide-open watts mode, and this heavy truck hits 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. Power delivery is instant, and it brings a massive 12,500-pound towing capacity. To earn the Trail Boss badge, Chevy added a factory 2-inch suspension lift. It sits on 18-inch black wheels wrapped in aggressive 35-inch all-terrain tires. Ground clearance gets a massive boost for rough trails, but the real trick is standard four-wheel steering. With Sidewinder mode, the rear wheels turn diagonally with the fronts, letting this giant truck crawl sideways out of tight off-road spots or park easily in tight spaces. Let's talk efficiency. The max range model utilizes a massive 205 kilowatt-hour battery pack for that estimated 478 miles of range. But remember the physics. Heavy 35-inch mud tires add massive rolling resistance. In real-world highway driving, expect closer to 430 miles, and that cuts in half when towing. For charging, the 800-volt architecture handles 350 kilowatt DC fast charging, adding 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Visually, it drops the traditional boxy truck look for a highly aerodynamic integrated cabin bed silhouette. Inside, the cabin centers around a sharp 17.7-inch screen with Google built in, finished with an exclusive black and Artemis theme with sharp red stitching. For practicality, it stands completely alone. Up front, you get a 10.7 cubic foot weatherproof front trunk. In the back, the 5'11" bed features a multi-flex midgate. You can fold down the entire wall between the bed and the cabin, extending your flat cargo floor length to over 10 feet. Price-wise, the base Silverado EV starts at $55,895, but stepping up to this Trail Boss Max Range model pushes the price to $88,695. That puts it right up against the Ford F-150 Lightning and the more premium Rivian R1T.
Here is my honest take. Pass on this truck if you just want a casual city commuter. It's heavy, massive, and a massive investment. But buy it if you need genuine towing power, immense range, and want to drop fuel bills without experiencing range anxiety. My recommendation? Unless you regularly hit deep mud trails, look closely at the mid-spec LT trim to save some cash. Would you spend nearly $89,000 on an electric Trail Boss, or are you sticking with a traditional V8? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe to MotoDrift for more updates. See you in the next video.